guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Sawal Saturday video where every Saturday I answer your questions. Before we get into today's questions, please tell me कि आपने मेरा Thursday video देखा है. Please tell me कि आपने मेरा Thursday video देखा है. It is basically, sorry मैं अपने आप को देख रही हूँ. मैं बड़े टाइम बाद अपने फ़ोन पे शूट कर रही हूँ. Basically, it is a Zoom call and it's a fight between a couple. It's a collab. उसमें बी यूनिक है, उसमें मैं हूँ, उसमें राहुल सुब्रमण्यम है, उसमें सुमुखी सुरेश है, and there is a very special cameo by Mumbaikar Nikhil also. So अगर देखा ना हो तो link is somewhere here or in the description. Go check it out. Chalo, we have a bunch of questions for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. What is it? What are you asking? Why do I look so funny and swollen? It's because I have only slept. मेरा सैटरडे आज 12:30 बजे शुरू हुआ है. मैं बस सोई हूँ आज सारा दिन and this is my face. That's it. Okay, moving on. Ishta. Hi Ishta. Hi Prajakta. Oh, guess the gibberish. Alright. Soup depth clear voice lot ball day. Soup depth clear voice lot ball day. What? Okay, next. Euaria messinia. Ew, why are you messing? Yeah, or I don't know. Fry juncta box. Did you make these up of your own language? Because these don't make sense. I love you. I love you a lot. I love you a lot. Okay, the last one made sense. But I don't know, Ishta, if the first four make sense at all. But because I love you, I'm going to let it pass. Manav Gupta. Oh, Manav Gupta के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दूँ. He's a dum-dum. He's been a dum-dum for quite some time. He has the fan page Mostly Sane Mumbai. And recently what we have started doing is every Sunday we do like a fun Zoom call with all my viewers, with all the fan clubs and stuff like that. That is happening. And Sudeep has been facilitating this whole thing and it is a lot of fun. Manav on my first Zoom call comes and is like, मानव सारे टाइम कुछ बोला ही नहीं. मानव चुप ही बैठा, बस 3 बार हाय बोला, फिर 1 बार बाय बोला. Now there are like 6 questions that he sent. Okay, cool. Here's a would you rather game. Would you rather restart your career or have 10 million subscribers? Manav, do you not know me at all? I would rather have, why would I restart my career? Would you raise Ben or raise Emma? I think I would raise Emma, yeah. Would you become a Bollywood celebrity or a YouTube content creator always? I will always, no matter what else I become, I will always be a YouTube content creator. Would you have a superpower to erase hate from the world or would you rather meet all your dum-dums? I would rather meet everybody, but more than everything, if I had a superpower, I would just snap and coronavirus would not be a thing. Please. Okay. Would you rather have a fan handle for Ellen DeGeneres or would you have a fan handle for Michelle Obama? I think I would. I mean, I've met Michelle Obama and that does not mean that I admire her any less, but I would have a fan handle for Ellen DeGeneres any day. Would you launch your merch soon or would you launch it sooner? We wanted. Yeah, there were plans. Everything was sort of getting to a place where it was going to be in place and then the lockdown happened. So hopefully after that. Drishti Saha. Hi Drishti. My question, आपको क्या बचपन से YouTuber बनना था? दृष्टि, क्यूट स्वीट गर्ल दृष्टि. मैं अगले महीने 27 साल की हो जाऊंगी. सो मेरे लिए मेरा बचपन ऑलमोस्ट 20 साल पहले था. यूट्यूब को आए हुए कितने साल हो गए हमेशा? 15 साल हो गए हैं. 2005. Now it's 2020, so 15 years. तो जब मैं बचपन में थी तो YouTube wasn't a thing at all. In fact, YouTube wasn't a thing in my life till I became like a teenager, till I was 18. I don't think मैं YouTube पे ज़्यादा कुछ देखती थी 18-19 तक. I mean, the internet had just like become cheaper for us to use on our phones and stuff. When I was 18, I did not have a smartphone. I got my first smartphone when I was, I think, 20. So yeah, no, नहीं मुझे बचपन से यूट्यूबर नहीं बनना था. To answer your question. Aniket Kulkarni. Hello, Aniket. Hey, Prajakta Tai, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Today is 16th May is my birthday. Hey! My question is, what is the most beautiful birthday gift you got? First of all, happy birthday, Aniket. Have a good one. It's be grateful that you're home, that you're safe, your family is good, and everything's okay. What is the most beautiful birthday gift I got? You know, मैं बहुत स्पॉइल्ड हूँ. आई हैव द मोस्ट अमेजिंग पीपल इन माई लाइफ जो एवरी ईयर बर्थडे पे रात को 12 बजे आके मेरा दिन सफल कर जाते हैं. ठीक है, दे ऑल कम, दे विश मी. आई गेट द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थॉटफुल प्रेजेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स एंड माई फैमिली. बट द वन बर्थडे जब मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी वॉज आई थिंक 2015 वाला जो बर्थडे था, क्योंकि मेरे बर्थडे के दिन वी हिट 2000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. 2015, 27 June 2015 is when Mostly Sane hit 2000 subscribers and I lost my shit. I feel like that was the most excited I have been because I did not expect that to happen and it was so new and I was just like, what? So yeah, I think that. Ankita Hegde, tell one weird thing you love doing. So there is this one game called Redecor. तो बेसिकली मुझे ना इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग में, मेरे को घर डेकोरेट करने में, यू नो घर सेटअप करने में बड़े मजे आते हैं. नाउ आई कांट डू दैट इन पर्सन बिकॉज आई हैव टू डू दैट टू माई हाउस, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन. इज वाई देर इज अ गेम कॉल रीडेकोर जिसमें आई एम एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर एंड आई रीडेकोरेट स्पेसेस एंड आई एम एडिक्टेड टू इट एंड आई एम गुड एट इट. ओके, आई विन लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, लाइक वर्चुअल मनी दैट आई कैन स्पेंड ऑन वर्चुअल फर्नीचर. Agrim Kaundal, hello. You've become extremely matured. Illusion, my friend. It's all an illusion. What do you think it is because of? Experience in life or result of books you read or YouTube or mixture of all these? Definitely a mixture of all of this. Not just this, also from the mistakes that I make, or not also from the people that I have in my life, also from the advices I take, also from the content that I watch. And I wouldn't call it extremely matured क्योंकि मैं अपने हिस्से की गलतियाँ करती रहती हूँ from time to time. I would say I'm growing up, I guess. How did that happen? Shresht Sharma, are you and Nick actually dating each other? You want to answer this? No, we are not. Nick is a very, 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 very dear friend. I absolutely love him. He is a superb content creator. He's one of the funniest people I know. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. But other than that, no. Our only equation is that we are friends. We hang out. We shoot a lot of videos together. We jam a lot together. And then every time a video comes out, he posts a half-naked picture on his Instagram. Prarthana Adur. Hey, which is the weirdo thing you do when you're free? I think this weird thing, this redecoration game that I do. I also do a cooking game. There's also a game where you're a restaurant owner और आपके रेस्टोरेंट में लोग आ रहे हैं और उनके ऑर्डर को आपने गिवन टाइम में डिलीवर करना है पका के. So you have to wait for the burger का patty to cook. You have to wait for the bun to toast and then you have to put, like, if you forget a लाइक अगर उन्होंने बोला है कि उनको मस्टर्ड और केचप डाल के हॉट डॉग चाहिए और आपने डालना, आई नो हाउ रिडिक्युलस आई साउंड. या वियर्डो. प्रीति काली, माई क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हैज बीन द मोस्ट स्ट्रेसफुल एक्सपीरियंस इन योर लाइफ? एवरी मैथ्स एग्जाम एवर. लिटरली, आई एम नॉट इवन जस्ट सेइंग इट, एवरी टाइम. मतलब फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड की प्रारंभिकता से लेके थर्ड ईयर BMM की प्रारंभिकता तक, क्योंकि थर्ड ईयर में भी वी हैड अ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का पेपर इन मास मीडिया. सो 5 साल की उम्र से लेके 18 साल की उम्र तक द मोस्ट स्ट्रेसफुल, मतलब आई यूज्ड टू नॉट इवन स्ट्रेस ऑन द रिजल्ट सो मच. आई यूज्ड टू स्ट्रेस ऑन द एग्जाम डे. मतलब आई हैव नेवर बीन मोर स्ट्रेस्ड इन माई लाइफ. आपको आइडिया नहीं है. मैं बहुत आई एम ओके विद लिविंग विद द फैक्ट कि मुझे 7+8+2 करने में 4 घंटे लग जाएंगे. आई एम फाइन विद इट. Shashi Kesar, hi Shashi. Hi Prajakta, I wanted to ask that which advertisement you watch and it is your all-time favorite advertisement. यार मेरे को कैडबरी की सारी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में बड़े मजे. अमूल इज अमेजिंग ऑफ कोर्स, बट कैडबरी ना 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 आज पहली तारीख है, खुश है ज़माना, आज पहली तारीख है जी पहले. Me and Baba used to sing it all the time. We have not had like cable TV in our house in years now. So I miss those advertisements, yeah. Okay, that is all the questions we have for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to do a very fun live with Siddharth Kannan. And now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you should do that because it's free. I'll see you again on Tuesday. Until we meet.
Love.